Hello friends, today we discuss syllogism. First of all, what is syllogism? Syllogism is a kind of logical argument that applies deductive reasoning to arrive at a conclusion on two or more propositions that are assumed to be true. Syllogism is a very important topic for exams like IBPS and SSC. Today we solve slog question without using Venn diagram. For solving slog question without using Venn diagram, we have certain rules. First rule is we have to check the nature of statement. If the statement is positive and another statement is also positive, the conclusion is also positive. If the statement first is positive and statement second is negative, then the conclusion is also negative. Third one, if both statements are negative, then there is no conclusion. Now second rule, we have certain values for codes. For example, all we have 150. For some, code is 50 and 50. For no, it is 100 and 100. Here 100 is subject and this is 50 is object. Rule number third. When a conclusion consists of two statements, then there should be a common word and that word should be valued 100. For example, in these two statements, the B is common in both statements and the value of B must be 100. Now start from question. We have two statements here, all Alia are intelligent, and second statement is all intelligent are actor. Now conclusion, we have two conclusion here, all actors are Alia. Second conclusion is some actors are Alia. Now from conclusion 1, that is all actors are Alia. Here this conclusion is made up of two elements, one is actor and second is Alia. Now check these two elements in the statement. Here Alia is in first statement and actor is in second statement. Now apply the rule. Here the intelligent is common in both statements, so we can apply rule number third. Now assign the values. For all 150, again all 150, and here all 150 and some 50 and 50. Now consist statement part as a income and conclusion part as a expenditure. Income can never be greater than expenditure. Now solve first conclusion. All actors are Alia. This conclusion contains two elements, actor and Alia. Now check these two elements in statement. Alia is present in first statement, actor is present in second statement. Now check the values. Here actor is 100, here actor is 50. Income cannot be greater than expenditure, so this is not the conclusion. Now check second conclusion. Some actors are Alia. Actor here is 50, same actor is 50. Alia is 50 and Alia is 100. Income can be greater than expenditure, so this conclusion is true. And now check the nature of statement. Here some actors are Alia is made up of two statements. Statement number 1 and statement number 2. As statement 1 is positive and statement 2 is also positive, so the conclusion is positive. Now we solve second question of slog. We have two statements here. First is no Salman is Ash, second is all Ash are Abhishek. We have four conclusion here. First is no Salman is Abhishek, second is no Abhishek is Salman, third is some Abhishek are Ash, fourth is all the Abhishek are Ash. Now put the values in statement and conclusion. For no 100 and 100, for all 150, for no 100 and 100, again no 100 and 100, sum is 50 and 50, all is 150. Now we have conclusion first, no Salman is Abhishek. The conclusion is negative. That means one of the two statements must be negative. Here statement 1 is negative and statement 2 is positive. So in statement 1 the rule number 1 is applied. Now check the values. As statement part is income and conclusion part is expenditure. So income can never be greater than expenditure. For conclusion 1, no Salman is Abhishek. Check the values. Here Salman is 100. Here Salman is 100. Here Abhishek is 100. Here Abhishek is 50. Income is less than expenditure. Can't be true. So conclusion 1 is not true. Now check second conclusion. No Abhishek is Salman. Here Abhishek is 100. Here Abhishek is 50. Again income is less than expenditure. So this conclusion cannot be true. Now check third statement. Some Abhishek are Ash. This element Abhishek is present in second statement and this element is Ash is present in second statement. So we check only the second statement for this conclusion. Here Abhishek is 50. Here Abhishek is 50. Here Ash is 50. Here Ash is 100. Income is greater than expenditure. So this conclusion is true. Now check all Abhishek are Ash. Here Abhishek is 100. Here Abhishek is 50. Income is less than expenditure. So this cannot be true. And now check nature of the statement and conclusion. Here some Abhishek are Ash is positive. And for this positive conclusion, this is arrived from only statement 2 here. All Ash are Abhishek. This statement is positive. When statement is positive, the conclusion is also positive. Now we solve third question. Here statement is some trees are plant. Second statement is some plants are herbs. And we have four conclusion here. First is all plants are herb. Second, some plants are herb. Third, some trees are herb. Fourth, some trees are plant. Now put the values according to the rule for some 50-50. Again here is some 50 and 50. All 100 and 50. Some 50 and 50. Some 50 and 50. Here some 50 and 50. Here plant in two statements are common, but the value of plant is not 100. So there is no direct relation between these two statements. So this rule is not applicable here. Now we solve from conclusion. First conclusion is all plants are herb. This conclusion is made up of two elements, plant and herb. Now check, do these two elements present in which statement? Plant and herbs are present in second statement. Now we check only second statement values. Here herbs is 50, herbs is 50. Here plant is 100 and here plant is 50. Income is less than expenditure. Can't be true. So this conclusion is not true. Now check second conclusion. Some plants are herb. This conclusion is made up of two elements, plants and herb. Plants and herbs are present in only second statement. Now check their values. Herb here is 50, 50. Here plant is 50, here plant is 50. This conclusion is true. Now check third conclusion. Some trees are herbs. Now this conclusion is made up of two elements, tree and herb. Tree is present in first statement. Herb is present in second statement. There is no direct relation between these two statements, though this conclusion is not true. Now check fourth conclusion. Some trees are plant. This conclusion is made up of two elements, trees and plant. These two elements are present in first statement. Now check the values of two elements. Here tree is 50, here tree is 50. Income and expenditure are equal. Now check the value of second element. Here plant is 50, here plant is 50. Income and expenditure value of plants are equal. So this is the true conclusion. And now check the nature of statement and conclusion. This conclusion, some plants are herb, is positive and made up of statement some plants are herb. This statement is also positive, hence conclusion is also positive. Now some trees are plant, conclusion is positive and is made up of statement number 1, some trees are plant. This statement is also positive, hence statement is positive, so conclusion is also positive. Thanks for watching us guys. Subscribe us for more.